Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification on upcoming videos. Today's recipe is Khuska rice. I am showing you all my version of Khuska. It is a good alternate for plain rice. You can serve it with gravy like korma or any other masala gravy. So let's get started. Take 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 green chilli, mint leaves, coriander leaves, 1 carrot, some green peas and 2 onions sliced. In a vessel, add 1/4 cup of oil, add whole spices, onion sliced, saute, fry the onions till they start turning light golden brown in color. Then add green chilli, mint leaves, coriander leaves, mix well. Add some green peas, 1 carrot, mix it and fry for 5 minutes. Now then add 3 cup of soaked rice. I had already soaked the rice for 10 minutes. Mix them and roast it for 5 minutes. Then add salt as required. Add 2 cup of hot water. Mix them and boil. Now cover the lid and steam it for 5 minutes. The Khuska rice is ready. Do try this recipe at home and send your feedbacks in the comment below. Isn't it simple recipe? If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.